I'm very artistic, and it's a very creative class, so it's a good way to like express myself. It's a good way to free my mind off of like other classes. It's less stressful and feels very like free.
So this is the construction class. I teach construction 1, 2, and advanced studies. Primarily focuses on carpentry, electrical, and plumbing, and it's a very hands-on class. We've built lots of sheds for the school and the community, soccer booths, lacrosse sheds. We built a tiny home, and so they get kind of see the real life experience of putting that stuff together.
It's got me more into the side of wanting to go into trades and showing me that you don't have to go to college, like you just go to trade school, and thinking about that.
Our advanced class focuses primarily on learning the lathe, lots of turning, bowls, cups, vases, things like that. It's more of a advanced equipment and tool, a little bit of art in there too. The teenage body needs to move, you know, that's all it is. It doesn't want to sit in a chair. And so I think my class, they're fortunate enough to have opportunities to get out and work with their hands and move around.